What's good, YouTube? Back again with another video. How y'all doing? At the end of the day, shawty, I'm good money. Right now we are in we're in Wadsworth, Ohio, Norton, Ohio, at this place called Wayback Burgers. So we're just checking that out. Right here. That's their menu right there. Their menu right there. Getting it in on the grill over there. We're over here watching this bullshit right here. I guess this is like ultimate tag. Y'all let me know down in the comment section if y'all ever seen some shit like this before. Your ass. What you think about the ultimate tag, brother?
Some white people shit.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna get back to y'all in a minute. Alright, peace.
So, Getting Money was telling me.
Alright guys, we out here, still in Canton, making some stuff happen. We heard just pulled up on this little mini car show. It's the Football Hall of Fame weekend, so everybody's down there. So we just checking stuff out, man. To show you guys what we got going on here. I don't know why, but I kind of like you cross your phone.
Make me nervous as fuck.
Look at this. Clean as shit in there though.
Gotta get the heart.
Oh hell yeah.
Gotta get the heart.
That is what I'm saying, man. This you?
Yeah.
That's badass, dude. Come on now, you know how that goes.
I don't know, I'm not good.
But I mean, if you've been around them long enough, you know how that goes. she done met somebody in the lobby, she talking. Alright, you too.
Get this heart quick. Y'all see this, man? This is what happens, man. I'm gonna get y'all that we make a lot of noise out here, you know what I'm saying? But this is what happens when all you fake ass podcast motherfuckers be trying to come at me, you know what I'm saying? Going right in here and this motherfucking hurts, man, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm bodying you motherfuckers, man. I'm bodying you smarty, baby.
Let's come over, let's check this one out over here. I know there's another one, small one for you, but I mean, I kind of like it though. Kind of like really into like these old cars.
Off of crack. Small black Chevy.
Check out the side mirrors. Yeah, that is hard.
With the buckle. Another one, man. That's dope right there.
Mm-hmm. It's nice, my guy. Oh no, look at that. Him follow. I don't know. It's like fireworks or something like that. That is too. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, my guy. Gotta love it. This is one of my favorite cars. You said the only one I like better than this one is the 64, but
68.
I love the 64 personally.
I just since I was 18 years old. I'm 57 years old right now.
Wow, nice.
And him and I went to a luau.
So y'all did? Obviously, he turned up harder than you did.
Yeah. My son over there driving us around.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Oh, you too, my man.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Fucking side by sides and shit. That's Monte Carlo SS. Fucking police car.
Fucking phone.
Yeah. SLT car? What? Now, I'd feel claustrophobic in that. That's a Hellcat, okay. I don't like that color, but I do like the Hellcat though. I mean, I know you like the color.
Mad at the color. I wouldn't necessarily choose it.
Right.
But
I see this right here. Classic. Yeah, they stay in the garage during the winter time. And see the fucking 63 right there. Damn, look what you see where he started from? Dope. That is nice. How we doing?
How about you?
I can't complain. Love cars, man.
Pretty cool. Look at that thing.
Little keep the camera steady.
Pull the trigger and it records.
Oh, but it's already recording. I just keep recording. Like when I go in the edit, I put the behind music so I don't pick up the copyright. You know what I'm saying? Y'all have a good one.
yeah, so check this out, man. It's your boy Lexx V, man, aka Smarty McFly, man. It's Mr. AKA. We out here at this car show, man. It's looking real nice, man. I'm kind of pissed off right now, you know, because I was going to bring out, you know, the Hellcat, you know, the jet black Hellcat with the glossy rims and everything. And then I realized that I ain't have one. So, yeah, that was it. So now I'm just out here, you know. I'll see y'all later.
That is clean Corvette.
Claustrophobic, man. Small shit don't be working for me, man. I'm nervous.
He's nervous.
I get nervous.
That is, I mean, it's still a beautiful car.
It's a beautiful car.
I'm claustrophobic too, but
how big I am, man.
I'm claustrophobic too, but I would.
I have a Corvette.
Oh, you do?
I have Corvette. Mine's an 86.
But see, that's what I'm saying.
You have to put one leg in, go like this, and you go in.
So imagine what it would take. Imagine what it would take for my big ass to get in there. Exactly. I'm gonna have to drive it sideways. I'm gonna have to hold this leg out the window, and I'm gonna roll with this leg, and you might have to push the pedal.
That's a 56 right there. That guy's from Mouse. He was good Mouse. I had a 58. It was the same, looked almost the same as that.
Yeah, it does. You said the one I'm really falling in love with now is the C8. That C8 is beautiful. I love the C8.
I got this 86. It's a street car, but right? Have a good time, guys.
Hey, you too. Thank you.
It's a big ass dog.
Yes, it is. Was that a Great Dane?
What it is? You gotta stay his ass over there. That's what the fuck it is. Before I hop in this little ass car. When you see me hop through that bitch. When you see me hop through that window of that motherfucker.
Hell to the door. Right.
Big ass Rover is on his way over here. Shit.
Yeah, I think pretty much, yeah. That little small little thing.
Boy, I'm playing too much, man.
Right. Like what's crazy, when I was like not too long after I was born, my father, he bought one of these. Because I got a picture on like Venice Beach in a white one of these. Z28. Yep.
I had a Firebird once with T-top.
And you can tell it looks careful because you said usually like the seals will be busted. This is immaculate. Because you say you've seen them to where the seals is busted in the T-tops. All kind of crazy mess.
It took me 14 years to build this car.
It's beautiful.
It ain't all the way down.
You said once you start building, you're never done. You always figure something else to do.
See? Well, big ass horse down there, fucking barking and shit, man.
Yep, come on, take a look at this one over here, this red one. But see, not everything I'm gonna like, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? I'm just not the type to hate on somebody just because I don't like their stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's like if that's your vision. You said like to me personally, I don't like squatted trucks. I just never have. I don't. I'm sorry. It's just not my thing. But if something like Buddy right there, you see it was kind of squatting in the back, I'd be like, hey, that's your vision. I love it. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, not so much. You know. You got the dice in the mirror. Yeah, he trying to hurry up get to the house before it start raining.
Trying to pack all this shit up.
Yeah.
Trying to have that shit out here in the rain.
Yeah. That is super clean.
Well, check this out, man. Y'all see the whip right here, man.
Yeah.
This is my weekend car and everything. I got a date tonight, so we about to get up out of here because I gotta hurry up and get it back before the owner notices that it's gone.
Well, anyway, guys, using this little small little car vlog. You know what I'm saying? You guys have been asking for car stuff, so I think I'm gonna start bringing some car stuff to the channel. You know what I'm saying? We definitely got some more cooking stuff coming to the channel. You said make sure that y'all always, you said like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell so you don't miss another video. Also, make sure, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out Redline Radio LLC, and don't forget to tune into my brother's show, the Lexx Vegas show, Thursday night, 7 p.m. Redline Radio. You can find Redline Radio LLC. Come on, let's get my man here. Redline Radio LLC. Yo, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. And my man right here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if you in Ohio in the Canton area, come on down, man. We down here all the time doing it, real B.I.G. Thank you. Y'all take it easy. Peace.